Well, as you can see, I'm back at the basement job, and we look to be holding a bit of water. And that side's falling off, and all of this side's falling off. They already got their batter boards and everything down in there, but yeah, I guess nothing has been done since before I went to Vegas. Which I knew I was supposed to dig the footings on this building, and we held off, but I thought they were going to work on the basement. Guess they've been busy, or I know we've had rain. I think there's been a couple guys that work for the builder that hasn't been feeling good. Not corona, but whatever. But the biggest issue is, I guess when they dug out the walkout part, it kind of gets higher here, and then it takes off down. This is gonna make a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna try to come in here and just kind of cut a ditch and open this end up and try to get it to daylight out. You can kind of tell, I mean, it looks like it just goes and then gradually starts running uphill. But I think that's all I'm gonna do for today, is just try to open this in and get the water to drain out, and then let it dry a little bit, then come back and dig this out. I mean, I know if that's been holding water for 2 or 3 weeks, that bottom's going to be really soft. So I mean, I could drain the water out and get in there and just track it all up and make a bigger mess, but I think I'm just gonna cut this out, let it drain, and then just check with the concrete guys when I think they're going to be here, and just try to come out the day ahead of time and clean it up. Then it's just kind of going to be a little Friday of little miscellaneous jobs. But you can kind of see here how it starts just kind of gradually running uphill the whole time. So I'll probably, I may kind of go down there at cut some of that out, and then come up here at the very end and kind of open this up, so that way all that water won't be running out the whole time. But I'm just going to kind of hog that out and see if this stuff will start draining off. So let's go get the loader and do that. the GoPro froze up again about partway through. I think I was just digging the rock out of here, but this is kind of what I got somewhat opened up. So I thought about trying to flatten it out, but I don't really care. I just want it to drain off. So if it's not, you know, if it's just kind of V'd out, or if it's just concentrated in this one spot, it should work. But I'm hoping it'll get past this point, kind of hit this rock, and then just filter on out. But yeah, I guess I'll flip around now and kind of scoop or drag that out and see if we can't get some of this water. I'm hoping, unless the basement's just completely flat, or I'm hoping I can just kind of take this in, that'll all just kind of start running out of here. But we'll soon find out. Well, we got good flow for the time being, so we'll see. I'm almost kind of worried that it's lower there and kind of dips back up, so I may have to try to cut a little bit more out. But I'm gonna kind of eat my lunch and let this drain off a little bit and see. I was gonna just leave it, but I want to make sure that it's still not gonna hold some up in there. I mean, we're already nice and muddy, so yeah, we're in it. Let's let this drain off for a minute and see what we need to do. this is going to be our after for today. So that one corner is still a little bit low, but I'd have to cut all of the rest of this. And now I got so much mud and stuff in the tracks that every time I try to smooth this out, the more just chunks off. So it's just gonna have to dry. The sides keep flaking off. And we got more rain coming in over the weekend and Monday and Tuesday, so it's probably gonna fall back in there. But this floor is not really level. It's kind of pitched, and at least it kind of runs this way, but this still needs to probably be, I don't know, it may be close or cut down a little bit more. So yeah, now I get the daunting task of shoveling the tracks out. So yeah, that's gonna be a pain right there, but we'll work on getting it, shovel it out, load it up. We'll probably head to the shop and try to go get my friend's power washer and get this thing cleaned up. Well, there's a nice big chunk came off right there. That helps. But yeah, that's I don't know, that's Friday's little fun job there. So anyway, hope you guys have a good weekend, and we'll try it again on Monday.